Hello friends, how are you all doing? Welcome to my kitchen experience today. Today I'm going to be preparing Nigerian Jollof Rice, and you can see my ingredients, and I want to let you know that with these ingredients you will come up with a very beautiful colored jollof rice. Here is 2 kg of rice, then this is the chicken, this is purée, and it's the very hard chicken, so it takes time to boil. So I will take it to the fire and come back to you and introduce the other ingredients. So I'm adding onions. So I've just added onions. This is chicken stock powder, I've added bay leaf, then this is salt, this is Maggi cube. I'm using just 2 cubes. Then curry powder. So in the next 25 minutes this chicken will be ready while I move on to prepare the other things. Let me add water now. So we'll go over to the ingredients now. This is a basmati rice and it's 2 kg. We'll have onions here, and this is tomato puree. So since it's 2 kg, I'm using 2 of these. This is how I use it. Then this is bay leaf, chicken stock powder, salt, Maggi cube, and the bell pepper that I'll be using. Then these ones are chopped tomatoes. You can use the plum, not the chopped one, so it's the same thing. Then this is Scotch bonnet pepper, and I have my ginger here. I just discovered I don't have garlic. Normally I will add garlic to it. Then here's the sunflower oil that I'll be using. So now we'll move over to preparing the peppers for blend. Here's the pepper, everything that I need to blend. Okay guys, now we are starting the cooking proper now. So this is just about a cup of oil. So the oil is hot now. I'll be adding the onions that I sliced. So I'm going to be adding the puree. I'll leave it for like 5 minutes in order to remove that tangy taste. So I'll cover it up. So at this stage, I'll be pouring the blended pepper and tomatoes. So I'm going to season it right now. Chicken stock, salt, Maggi cube. I'm adding 2 cubes. You know what? If you're able to get this stew right, then your jollof rice is sure to be very sweet and colorful. I'm going to cover it up, let it cook, then we'll come back to add the rice. So the stew should be ready now. Yes. So what I'll normally do is to take some of the stew away from the pot. Okay, I've removed some of the stew. Then I will now add the washed rice. You can pour your water first, but the water, you know, the water I'm putting is the meat water, so it's already boiled. If I do it like this, it helps me to, you know, turn the rice properly before it starts to boil. Like I told you, if you get this particular one right, the stew right, then the rice will have no choice but to be very, very sweet and colorful. You can see. Now we're going to have a very beautiful jollof rice. That's the meat water. You can see that meat water is not enough. This one is already boiled water as well. So the water should be at least an inch or 2 above the rice. I'm adding the bay leaf. Guys, look at how the rice is looking. So if you want it to be more colorful, you can add some stew at this stage. The rice is not soft yet. So at this stage, I will turn in this stew, then I will cover it. Added the 2 Maggi cubes that was remaining, and I've added the chicken stock powder. You know, because it's basmati, you don't need too much water. So at this stage, if you want to add butter, you can add butter as well. So I will cover it with a nylon. The fire has been reduced as well. So we'll give it like 20 minutes in order to have that patty jollof rice, because the rice has to burn for you to have that patty jollof rice. Yes guys, the rice is smelling very, very nice. Wow. See what we have already. Wow. That is it. The rice is very, very yummy. If you have watched up to this time, God bless you. Please do me this favor by subscribing to this channel. Until I come your way with another video, keep basking in the joy of the Lord.